Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you some sentences which we can use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, come what may, I'll not give you this. चाहे कुछ भी हो, मैं तुम्हें ये नहीं दूंगा. Second, show me to take this if you have bold enough. मुझे ये लेके दिखाओ अगर तुम में हिम्मत है तो. 3. I don't wanna listen anything. मैं कुछ नहीं सुनना चाहता. 4. Get lost. I don't wanna see your face. दफ़ा हो जाओ, मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं देखना चाहता. 5. First learn to speak the whole English then talk to me. पहले पूरी तरह इंग्लिश बोलना सीख लो, बाद में मुझसे बात करना. 6. Now don't even get this name in front of me. अब मेरे सामने दोबारा ये नाम मत लेना. 7. How jolly you are. तुम कितने खुश मिजाज हो. 8. Can we be friends? क्या हम दोस्त बन सकते हैं. 9. Yeah, with great delight. जी, बड़ी खुशी के साथ. The last one is, you are so funny. तुम बहुत मजाकिया हो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day, take care, and bye bye.